Have you ridden in a Waymo yet? Have you had a chance?
No, I haven't, but I've led some autonomous vehicles developments before,
Oh,
so
nice.
I have some insider perspectives I can share here.
Can I say where you
I
worked? Can
guess
I ask where you worked on that?
no, like, it was here. It was with in partnership with a few companies
Oh, cool.
and research institutions. Yeah, it was the robotic vehicle in this sense. It was a submarine.
Oh,
Put it
cool.
like
Okay.
this.
Awesome.
Yeah. So it's not something that navigate. It's not something that has to ride on the streets, right? It's not something that will collide with people in any way because it's just meant to be operating at a very, very deep location, you know, so it's
Nice.
a submarine. But still, autonomy is an interesting subject because you can be spending millions of dollars in making something very, very, very intelligent and not get anywhere.
Sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, because you can be. I remember finishing a phase of a project, and the guy and the contract had something written like, "Okay, you got to deliver everything." That was some 10 years ago. You got to deliver everything to us in paper, like printed, and in a hard drive. And then the guy was like, "Okay, do you really want me to print all those pages of code?" Because autonomously speaking, it was like huge piles of papers and dozens of people putting effort in writing code into that robot. But anyway, our contracts have changed. People don't ask people to print stuff anymore. But still, if you can spend millions of dollars in doing autonomous, intelligent stuff, decision, and if you miss a little detail on, am I using the best sensors or am I getting the best hardware for the tool? Then you certainly run a risk of getting into a loop situation where you get software people trying to fix hardware stuff or hardware issues, and then off you go. So you have a part of your team developing real hard autonomy related stuff, and the other part of your software team is just trying to fix the shortcomings of the hardware guys, you know.